I'm Chef Jasper, and today we're mixing up a Kansas City classic that starts with the chicken from Hen House Market. In a large bowl, combine diced or shredded rotisserie chicken with diced red onions, celery, water chestnuts, and pimentos. Next, let's prepare the dressing. In a separate bowl, whisk together the mayonnaise and the sour cream. Add your Dijon mustard, sugar, salt, black pepper, and juice of 1 lemon, and continue whisking until smooth. Pour the finished dressing over your chicken and gently stir until everything is evenly coated. Finally, for the best flavor, cover and refrigerate the salad for at least 1 hour to allow the flavors to blend. Serve this delicious classic chilled. It's perfect on a bed of greens with a toasted Wolferman's English muffin. Wolferman's famous English muffins are legendary for their thick, hearty texture and the rich flavor that's perfect for any breakfast or lunch table. And did you know they started right here in Kansas City, making them a true hometown classic? Now that is one salad I'm proud to serve my family. Jasper's Kitchen is presented to you by Hen House Markets, filmed on location at MCPL Culinary Kitchens.